y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caitlin Monet, and today I have something that I've been waiting for, which is an unboxing. As you can tell by the title, I finally got my hands on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, and let me tell y'all, I am thrilled. This is a big gift to myself. And as you all know, I've been using my trusty iPhone 14 Pro for a lot of my content so far, and it's been amazing. I mean, the quality is top tier, and it's been my go-to for vlogging, especially when I'm on the move. But this little one right here, this DJI, game changer for me, okay? So this camera is more than just an unboxing. It's an investment in myself, in this channel, and in the content I'm bringing to you guys. I decided to treat myself because I wanted to take things to the next level. And most importantly, this camera has amazing features that I think are going to be perfect for capturing higher quality, smoother vlogs, especially when I'm on the go for travel, doing day-to-day activities, and partaking in new business ventures. And y'all, look how compact this is. Like, this is going to fit right in my bag, no problem. It's basically designed for vloggers who are always on the move. And y'all know I am always on the move, whether I'm going to work, hanging out with family, hanging out with friends, traveling. This little baby is going to help me step up my content game, no problem. And I wanted to talk a little bit about why this upgrade means so much to me. For the longest time, I've been creating content using my iPhone. And honestly, it has done a great job, especially with my iPhone 14 Pro camera. And even before then, I think I was using the iPhone 7 when I initially started YouTube. It's incredible, don't get me wrong, but I feel like this is the moment where I needed to take a leap, invest in better equipment, and really show up for y'all, because you've been showing up for me. I recently just hit 1,306 subbies, y'all. Like, I cannot believe it. This next clip is my brothers, my mom, my dad. We were out at brunch. I was visiting in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, my hometown, as you guys already know. I was there for a friend's wedding, and this is my first time like taking out my camera and really just seeing like how clear the video is, y'all. Like, it's crazy. You can see my brother had my mom's DJI in his hand, and he was like, messing around with it, seeing how it works. And yeah, this is an investment. I'm so happy. Here we are pushing forward with new tools to create better and more engaging content for y'all. I'm so excited. So please stay tuned, because with this new camera in hand, you can expect some amazing vlogs, behind the scenes of my business, more travel content, and of course, lots of fun along the way. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or what camera do you guys use for your vlogs? Okay, y'all, until next time, stay tuned, stay creative, and stay inspired. Bye.